everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video beta we will be moving on to the next topic of our chapter cell, right? So in today's video we will be learning about many different topics, but the most important of it is diffusion, osmosis. Okay, what is diffusion, what is osmosis, different types of osmosis and different types of solutions in which these osmosis or these processes are taking place. Right? So let's get started with the first definition of our chapter beta, the diffusion and osmosis. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of substances like oxygen, carbon dioxide from high concentration area to low concentration area. That is what beta? That is our diffusion. Okay? I am writing the spelling or I am writing each and everything on the board. Please note down beta. Okay, diffusion. What is diffusion beta? The movement of substances. The movement of substances like oxygen, carbon dioxide from high concentration to beta low concentration. This is known as diffusion. Okay, now next one is osmosis. What is osmosis? The movement of water, right? The movement of water from, again, high concentration to low concentration via SPM. What is SPM here beta? Semi-permeable membrane. Okay, the movement of water from high concentration to low concentration via semi-permeable membrane is what? Osmosis. What is diffusion? The movement of substances from high concentration area to low concentration area. Right? So I will give you an example just to explain it to you. Right? आप जब breathe करते हो, when you breathe in, what is happening beta? When you breathe in, I am writing each and everything, okay? When this is just to explain you, okay? So if I am breathing in, what is happening? Oxygen is going inside, right? Oxygen कहाँ जा रहा है बेटा? Oxygen goes inside. Oxygen goes via blood to the cells. What will happen now? As soon as oxygen reaches the cells, cells all absorb the oxygen. Now what will happen? Cells absorb oxygen. Cells क्या करेंगे? They will absorb oxygen. As soon as the cell will absorb oxygen, what will happen? जितना cells के अंदर बेटा CO2 होगा, CO2 will be given to the blood, right? So if the cells will absorb oxygen, all the CO2 inside the cell will be given to the blood. Given to blood. Now what will happen beta? Concentration of CO2 will increase inside our blood. Right? A concentration of CO2 is increased inside our blood. So if concentration inside our body of CO2 is more, what will happen? The gases will move to the outer portion to a less concentrated area, right? So what will happen now? Diffusion will happen. What will happen? Diffusion will happen. क्यों diffusion हो रही है बेटा? Diffusion means passing of substances from high concentration area to low concentration area. अगर आपकी बॉडी में CO2 ज्यादा है बेटा और बाहर CO2 कम है as compared to the concentration in your body, what will happen? CO2, तो concentration high कहाँ पे हो गया? Inside your body the concentration is high, outside your body the concentration is low. So what will happen? Movement of CO2 from inside your body will happen to the outside your body. Okay, so what is happening? CO2 का pressure, CO2 concentration blood में increase हो गया. If the concentration of CO2 increases, what will happen? It will eventually move out because a higher concentration is inside our body as compared to the outside. So now what will happen? CO2 will move outside, right? How? From high concentration area to low concentration area. Okay, आपकी बॉडी के अंदर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन विल बी हाई. ओके, सेम गोज नाउ एज सून एज CO2 बाहर चला गया बेटा, एज सून एज CO2 बाहर गोज, राइट, इट गोज आउटसाइड, बाहर गोज, इट गोज आउटसाइड योर बॉडी, राइट. जैसे ही आपने ब्रीथ आउट किया, आपने क्या किया, यू लिबरेटेड आउट CO2. Now CO2 has been liberated out. Now what is your body in need of? You need oxygen. So outside area, वहां पे ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा होगा. That means concentration for the oxygen outside our body is more and inside our body is less. Okay? क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी को क्या चाहिए, ऑक्सीजन. जब आपने ब्रीथ इन किया था, ऑक्सीजन सारी अंदर गई थी, टेकन अप बाय द सेल्स. सेल्स ने क्या किया, ऑक्सीजन लेके CO2 वापस दे दिया ब्लड को. नाउ एज सून एज इट विल गेट द CO2, व्हाट विल हैपन, CO2 की concentration inside our body will increase better. As soon as the CO2 concentration increases, it needs to move outside from high concentration area to low concentration area. So now what will happen, oxygen will come from outside to inside, because outside the concentration of oxygen is more and inside the concentration of oxygen is less. Fine, this is all about diffusion. I hope you have understood. Now beta, osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water through high concentration area to low concentration area via semi-permeable membrane. For this I'll give you three types of solutions beta. Hypotonic, hypertonic and isotonic. Okay, hypotonic, hypertonic, isotonic. Hypo means less, hyper means more. Understand the meaning. Okay, hypo means less, hyper means more. Fine. And tonic means beta the thickness of fluid. Okay, tonic means thickness of fluid. Okay, got it. Now what happens beta, if I am drawing a beaker and I am putting a cell inside that beaker. Okay, I am adding water to the solution. Fine. If the concentration here is पानी का concentration, if the concentration here is more, the water concentration is more as compared to the concentration of the cell, what will happen now beta? That means the solution is dilute. Solution is dilute. Now what will happen beta? Water will move from high concentration to low concentration. And if we are saying the concentration of water here is high, then what will happen? Water will move from outside to inside. So this is known as what? Endoosmosis. This is known as endoosmosis, in which the movement of water takes place from high concentration area to low concentration area. That means from outside to inside the cell. Endo means andar jana. Okay, that means water is going inside the cell. So endo means going inside, right? And concentration here is beta more. That means solution is dilute. So this type of solutions, they are known as hypotonic solution. That means इसमें thickness of the fluid is less, right? Why is the thickness of fluid less? Beta, what will happen here? Because the solute concentration is low. That means the CO2 concentration of CO2 is more. Fine. Hypertonic में क्या होता है बेटा? Hypertonic में again I am drawing the same diagram with a resin or cell, you can say. And hypertonic में क्या है? We are saying that concentration of water is low. That means here water has lower concentration, right? And if the concentration is more, then the solution is concentrated. Solution is concentrated. Now what will happen beta? If the outer portion has less concentration and inner portion has more concentration, what will happen? Movement of water takes place from high concentration to low concentration. Now इसमें high concentration कहाँ पे है? Inside or outside? You will say ma'am inside. So what will happen? Movement of water will take place from inside to outside. Okay? This process is called as beta exoosmosis. This is exoosmosis. An isotonic solution, beta, what happens in isotonic solution? The concentration of inside the cell and the surrounding environment remains the same. So there is no net movement of water. That means what will happen in isotonic solution? The cell will remain same. The size will not change. There will be no net movement of water. Okay? Isotonic solution में concentration is same inside and outside. Okay, so no net movement. So here the cell will remain the same. Here if the water is going out, the cell will shrink. And here if the water is coming in, the cell will swell it up. Okay, these are all the types that we have done till now. And what is exoosmosis? Exo means when the water is coming out. It comes out. This is exoosmosis. Fine. And when water is going inside from high concentration to low concentration, it is endoosmosis. Exo कैसे याद रखोगे? Exo exit, right? बाहर से अंदर inside the cell, अंदर से बाहर जा रहा है, right? अगर आप घर से बाहर जा रहे हो बेटा, if you are living in a house, you are going out. What is that? You are exiting the house. So exit से क्या आ रहा है? Exo. अंदर से बाहर जाना is exoosmosis. Okay, बाहर से अंदर आना is endoosmosis. Always remember, isotonic solution कैसा solution होता है? In which the concentration remains the same. ठीक है? So this is all about your diffusion osmosis beta. Right? In the next video we'll talk about nucleus. Very easy. Okay. But till then stay tuned. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then take care.